You are aware of the issues that have been raised in the recent elections nationally and in Goa. My party colleagues have shared with you our concerns, our priorities and the manifestos. Both the National Manifesto, which was released on the 2nd of April by Congress President Shri Rahul Gandhi, highlighting some of the issues which concern directly the people of India, the younger generation, the youth, their jobs, employment, the agrarian distress, the issues of the farmers, health, women's security, and creating of opportunities in the country. Also, what has been spoken about and Congress commitment is to revive the process of mining within the overall safeguards and guidelines and environmental considerations as have been delineated by the Supreme Court of India. But what is more important is that both mining and tourism are important to be revived or nurtured and protected for job creation. At the same time, to protect the overall interest of the state, which the Congress is committed to when it comes to its identity, culture, traditions, and also land holdings. Prime Minister should be condemned in strongest terms for seeking votes in the name of those who have given their lives for our motherland to protect India and its integrity.
जी तिडक बीजेपीच्या विरुद्ध गोंयभर दिसली. बीजेपीच्या इमोरल पॉलिटिक्स, बीजेपीच्या अनएथिकल पॉलिटिक्स, बीजेपीन ज्या तरेन लोकांचो मॅन्डेट चोरून व्हेल्लो, ज्या तरेन इंडस्ट्रीज काबार केल्यो, इकॉनॉमी काबार केली, गोंयची टुरिझम काबार केलें, गोंयची मायनिंग काबार केली, गोंयचें एम्प्लॉयमेंट काबार केलें, आमच्या टुरिझम काबार केलें, टॅक्सीचे भाव जे आसात तांकां काबार केले, एक तरणाट्याची जी उर्बा आशिल्ली ती काबार केली, आवय बापायची सपनां काबार केली. आयज गोंयभर साबार लोक, साबार जनता दुखी आसा. गोंयांत एक घटक आसुल्लो ना जो घटक ह्या सरकाराचेर खूश आसा. गोंयचो एकूय घटक आमकां खंयच मेळना जो सांगतालो की हे बीजेपीक आमी मतदान करतले, अशें आमकां खंयच आडवोन येवना. आणि ज्या तरेन केंद्रांत सरकार आसा, राज्यांत सरकार आसा, एक सरकार आसतना सुद्धा लोक उलोवपा लागतात सरकाराचे विरुद्ध. सरकाराच्या जे कॅन्डिडेट आसात त्यांचे विरुद्ध लोक वयतात थंय सभेक, तांकां प्रश्न विचारतात, प्रश्नाचो बडिवार करतात, थोडे कडेन तांकां जवाबूच दिवपाक मेळना. अशी परिस्थिती गोंयांत खंयच्याच इलेक्शनाक पळोवपाक मेळना.